Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the Home Weather Office on this Thursday morning. It is the 15th day of February 2024. This is the morning briefing coming to you from the Home Weather Office. And as I look out the window from the Home Weather Office, still raining. Yeah, a little band of rain is going through, but the rain we had last night for the valley, anyway, really underperformed. Sacramento downtown only picked up 0.11. I thought we might get at least a quarter of an inch, maybe a third of an inch, but 0.11. And most valley spots were between 1/10 to a quarter of an inch. The foothills did better, but still even not quite as much as we thought we might get. The best areas were around Grass Valley, the Rollins Reservoir, and up toward Blue Canyon. And then on up in the summit, the Central Sierra Snow Lab just reported they had 13 inches of snow in the last 24 hours. So that came in about as we thought. We thought we might get about a foot of snow up on the summit, or a foot or a little bit better. And they still may get another couple of inches here in the next couple of hours. So that part of the forecast is still coming out all right. So here's how the radar looks. Here's that little bit of rain that's going through El Dorado County. The valley is basically done. There still might be a sprinkle, but all of this will be wrapping up as we go through the day today. And then if you look at the satellite, well, yeah, there's a lot going on here. Here's the cloudiness that we'll be in and out of during the day today. It's part of one weather system moving out and cloudiness spilling in out ahead of this next area out here. Nice AR out here, atmospheric river that extends down all the way down to Hawaii. There is Hawaii down here. There it is. There's Hawaii down there, and then this extends up this way. So we have moisture, and we'll have developing cutoff low out here. But this is the band of rain that we're going to see during the day on Saturday. So with that in mind, I'm just going to show you the NAM and the GFS. A couple of things I want to point out. So let's go through the NAM. The NAM lifts everything out as we go through the day today. So the lingering showers we have will be out of here. And then Friday is a dry day. This is Friday at 4 p.m. Friday still looks like a good travel day for the Sierra. The question about Saturday is, when is the rain going to start? The NAM is a little bit slower. That's the model I'm showing you here. This is 10 o'clock in the morning. The valley is dry. There's some rain off the coast. And then this model brings rain into the valley starting around 4 p.m. with a little bit of snow in the Sierra. And then we have rain on Saturday night. This is Saturday at 10 p.m. That's the best rain we're going to see. This one also should be relatively modest. A half an inch of rain or less. Inches of snow instead of feet. And then all of that clears out as we head into Sunday morning. All right, let me back this up to 4 o'clock in the afternoon when the rain is just starting. Now let's go to the GFS. GFS has been a little bit faster. So once again, here's Saturday morning. This is Saturday midday, and that's 4 in the afternoon. So that's how it looks on the GFS, and that's how it looks on the NAM. So in the NAM, the rain is just beginning at 4 in the afternoon. On the GFS, the rain is already here at 4 in the afternoon. And if I back it up, that's 10 o'clock in the morning. So as I said, the question right now is, when is the rain going to start? I'm still thinking ballparking afternoon. Might be for a place like Sacramento, which is kind of base things off Sacramento. The morning is probably going to be dry. But the afternoon, 2, 3 o'clock, I think we're going to be getting into the rain. I still think the NAM is running a little bit too slow. So we're probably going to see rain maybe as early as midday, especially in places like Lake County and Napa. If you're going to be in Napa for the day, you can expect rain maybe in late morning, early afternoon. For Sacramento and Auburn, places like that, 2, 3 o'clock, you're probably in rain. Snow levels will likely be relatively high, 6,000 feet. All right, let's go forward because that one does clear out. And this is Sunday morning. Sunday also looks like it's going to be a relatively good day. There's some noise here in the model, so there may be a sprinkle here and there. But Sunday, there are going to be extended periods of dry weather, including traveling through the Sierra. Now, I know it's a 3-day weekend, but I'll tell you, Sunday is going to be a good travel day to go through the mountains. Sunday night, the rain comes back. Once again, high snow levels, although maybe down to about 5,500 feet. But we're not talking about snow below 4,000 feet with this. This is Monday morning. And Monday looks pretty wet, especially in the morning. And then we'll continue with these lingering showers into the day on Tuesday. And even on Wednesdays when everything finally gives up. The interesting thing about this is that as we get into the day on Monday morning, this fetch right here, there's a good atmospheric river sort of plume of higher precipitable water that'll give us the chance of periods of heavier rain. And some of the model runs, I should say, are pretty enthusiastic. Now, this is 24-hour rainfall totals. So this is the GFS this morning, and this is ending at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and it gives Sacramento 1.08. But notice if I go back here, notice these areas in orange and red. There's this little area in Solano County, Dubuque County, that is up over 2 inches of rain. And down to the Delta, there's an area that's less than an inch of rain. So pay attention to that, and then let me show you how last night's model showed this. Let me just go back to the 0Z run. So again, this is a 24-hour total. Last night's model run put out 2.23 inches of rain for Sacramento. And notice that area of orange and red with more than 2 inches of rain. Again, that's a 24-hour total. So the difference between that and the most recent run, which is this, is an inch of rain in 24 hours, while good is manageable. 2 inches of rain in 24 hours is a problem. And actually, last night's run even had a 6-hour period with more than an inch of rain ending on Monday morning. So I think Monday morning we have to keep an eye on, because I do think there is likely going to be a narrow area somewhere, whether it's in Sonoma County, Solano County, Sacramento County, or Stanislaus County. At this point, on Thursday morning, we probably can't tell. But that is something we're going to have to watch as we go through the next couple of days, is where is that narrow band of rain going to be on Monday? Because if there is a narrow band of rain where we do get more than an inch of rain in 6 hours, we could see some minor to moderate to flood issues with that. And by that, I mean street flooding, creek flooding, that sort of thing. So that's going to be the big issue. But either way, you saw the snow in the Sierra on Monday, lots of rain in the valley, not a great travel day for President's Day. So that's why I strongly urge you to travel on Sunday if you can, because Monday is not going to be a great travel day. So if you want to avoid the weather mess, travel on Sunday. So that's everything I've got for you this morning. Today is Thursday. Hoping, fingers crossed, there will be a live chat tonight at 8 o'clock. We can dig into this a little bit more on Facebook. And then, of course, I'll be on TV at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11. Make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.